Hey little artists! Welcome back to our fun drawing series. Today, we're going to learn how to draw some super simple and familiar things. Grab your pencils and crayons. Are you ready to start the fun? Hey little artists! Who warms up the earth and lights up the sky? That's right. Let's draw a giant, happy sun. First, start with a big, round circle, just like a giant pancake in the sky. Now let's give it some shine. Draw triangles all around the edge to make the glowing sun rays. Finally, give him two bright eyes and a huge, warm smile. Now he's ready to shine. You did it! You made the day brighter. Subscribe for more easy drawings. Hello, Doodle Crew! What's fluffy, floats in the sky, and looks like cotton candy? Let's draw a happy little cloud. Start by drawing big, bumpy loops all the way around in a circle. Boing, boing, boing! And finally, give your cloud a personality with two dot eyes and a big, happy smile. Oh, he's so cute! Pop! Subscribe for more daily doodles. Hey little artists! What twinkles up high in the night sky? Today, let's draw a super cute smiling star. First, draw 5 big pointy triangles all connected together. Zoop! Now, give your star 2 little dot eyes and a giant happy smile right in the middle. Let's make it sparkle with cute cheeks and magic twinkle lines all around it. Ta-da! Hello, Doodle Crew! What appears in the sky after rain and is made of magic stripes? Let's draw a cheerful rainbow. Start with a giant upside-down U shape and land the ends right into 2 fluffy, bumpy clouds. Now, draw smaller arches inside the big one to make room for all those pretty colors. Let's give our clouds happy smiles and add some magic sparkles at the very top. Thanks for learning with us, little artists. If you had fun, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can join us for many more creative adventures like this. See you next time.